wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best instant granite countertops. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Brighter and more elegant than typical granite, Calcutta marble recalls the polished walls of the ancient Roman Senate, but at a price that mere citizens can afford. This package covers 32 square feet of counter area, just enough for most small to mid-sized kitchens. It's composed of 5 layers and comes as a single 48 by 96 inch piece. However, the gloss finish can get slippery easily. At number 9, while it is one of the most expensive options, the rust-oleum Transformations kit includes everything you need to get this paint job rolling. The end product is as solid and consistent as anything on the market, though it requires careful work to apply it perfectly. It comes in 2 sizes and 4 colors and should last several years or more, but it doesn't look much like real stone. Coming in at number 8 in our list. The DC Fix self-adhesive offers randomly dappled earth tones at a very low cost, which make it a great choice for a wide range of applications. Though it's not especially sophisticated looking, it's perfect for beautification on a budget. It's great for mobile homes and RVs, and the seams blend together nicely. However, it's not incredibly durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Instant Granite Countertops, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, from a household name in composite paneling, Formica laminate comes in a huge variety of intricate and realistic patterns to match nearly any renovation. This elegant material is good for various uses outside of the kitchen too. It's highly scratch resistant and offers a good balance of cost and quality, but heavy impacts can cause chipping. Moving up our list to number 6. Remodeling doesn't have to cost a ton thanks to Lunar Pearl vinyl, which is a lot like a thicker version of normal contact paper. It lacks the high-end feel of the more rigid, textured varieties, but it still works great and the value is hard to beat. It imitates high calcite granite and is sold in 3-foot wide rolls. It's available in 5 lengths. Halfway up our list at number 5. Ideal for making culinary spaces stand out, wilsonart lario features a striking pattern that comes to life as though it's made of actual minerals. This HD glaze version consists of a gloss base mottled with matte accents to simulate the uneven faces of rocks and ores. It's 4 times as wear resistant as most and imbued with an antimicrobial treatment, but it is among the most expensive choices. At number 4, wilsonart HD Mirage contains an embedded antimicrobial compound as well as an advanced top layer that extends its life. While it's both effective and handsome, it will set you back over twice as much as many others. It emulates weathered rock and is more durable than standard laminates. It's safe for food production. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The giani Sicilian sand offers DIY enthusiasts a straightforward way to perform a complete and long-lasting home transformation. Each kit covers up to 35 square feet or 16 running feet of standard 24-inch wide counters and only takes a few hours to apply. It's made with non-toxic water-based paint and comes with an instructional DVD. It's available in 4 colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Instant Granite Countertops, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, riddled with shallow wide depressions that mimic unfinished rock, wilsonart bahia brings a classic natural appearance to any flat space. Its textured quarry-style surface is reinforced against scratches and scuffs to ensure a long and attractive life. It comes as one 5 by 12 foot sheet and is surprisingly similar to real stone. It's reasonably priced for its durability. And taking the top spot on our list, as the name suggests, daich spreadstone is formulated using bits of rock that give worn surfaces the texture and appearance of natural quarried materials. The 3-step process involves a base coat to ensure the mineral powder sticks and a clear coat to leave it glistening. It adheres to old laminate well and is relatively chip resistant. One kit covers 30 to 40 square feet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Instant Granite Countertops, or simply click beneath this video.